Well, the trial continues of a Dothan man accused of killing a 91-year-old woman in her home 4 years ago. WDHN's Aaron Dixon is live now from the Houston County Courthouse with the latest on today's evidence and testimony. Aaron?
Amanda, the state today showed the jury a video of Joe Duncan, who was walking down the street and walked up to Mabel Fowler's home, who he did yard work for. But it doesn't show him going into the home. Instead, it shows Duncan showing back on camera 17 minutes later. Now, Duncan is accused of murdering Fowler in her home by beating her with Fowler's walking cane and a porcelain lamp. The state turned in evidence of two other camera angles from a tobacco shop and a liquor store from across the street. And prosecutors say the video shows Duncan leave the home and walk across the street away from the scene to the plaza and then walk behind the plaza. A forensic biologist says no blood was detected on Fowler's cane, on Duncan's hat, or on Duncan's shoes. He does say that gloves and clothing can be a barrier for their ability to get sufficient amount of DNA. The defense asked about the DNA analysis on a cigarette butt found on the scene. Fowler and Duncan didn't smoke, but cigarette butts were found on the scene and were DNA matched to someone else. Another witness that took the stand was Ken Tuck, who is the president of Love in Action Ministries, where Duncan frequented. Love in Action helps the homeless and needy in the Wiregrass. Tuck says that he saw Duncan on March 17th of 2018, the day of the incident, and that he insisted on several occasions for a shower and another pair of shoes, and that his clothes were washed, which the state believes tarnished the possible trace of DNA. The defense asked if there was still a possibility of there being DNA in the washing machine, and the biologist said it was possible, as the defense is trying to prove that officers could have gotten DNA swabs from the washing machine. This, according to Tuck, was against Duncan's usual normal routine when he would visit Love in Action Ministries, as he would eat, then nap, and then get the last shower, but that this time he said it was different. Now, Amanda, the final witness of the day was the lead investigator in the case, and the case has ended today, but tomorrow it will pick up with the defense cross-examining the lead investigator who led in the investigative interview of Duncan. Stick with WDHN News as we continue to follow this case.